how to fix Messenger black call screen error. So if you're on a call with someone and your screen turns black, here's a few ways that you can fix it. So the problem might have occurred because of a few reasons. The first one being your storage being too full. So if you don't have enough storage on your phone, then your call screen will go black or it won't be visible to you. And the other thing is, if you've used up a lot of your RAM storage on your phone, then the problem might occur as well. So meaning that you have a lot of background apps open. This will take up a lot of your RAM space, so make sure to close all of your background app and only open the Messenger when you're on your call. And most of the time these will fix the problem, but if this still doesn't fixes your problem, then what you can do is open your Messenger's app info. Then you can go to the storage. You can clear all of your cache and clear data. Once you do this, this will reset all of the data from your Messenger, and you will have to log back in using your ID and password once you clear your data. And other thing that you can do is go to your permissions and make sure you've allowed all of these permissions on Messenger, because sometimes the call malfunctions because it doesn't have the required permission. So make sure to turn all of these on. Once you do all of this, your problem should be fixed and you can call someone or anyone on Messenger without any trouble. I hope you found the video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.